All right, y'all. So my wife's baby daddy, they hit me up, and we got a new project we're getting ready to work on. Look at that right there. This is, hey Frank, what is this? What year is this?
83.
This is an 83 CJ7. I mean, straight old school, y'all. Look at this. Straight old school. So look, it has the inline 6 in it. We're gonna pull that junk out of here pretty soon. I'm gonna let him enjoy it for a little while before we pull it out. But we're gonna pull this bad boy out, and we're gonna either go LS or a pretty nasty small block. And we gotta figure out how to play with this little cheesy ass carburetor here. Look at all this wiring we gotta clean up. Look at this. They done cut everything out of this joint. So we gotta figure out all this good stuff here. That way when he's driving down the road after it's all done, it doesn't catch a flame. It's already been lifted. Look at that. It got some good bones on it. So I'm excited about that. So you guys stay tuned to this boy, because this one gonna get interesting, okay?